I'm Jen Mason, and I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. Okay, so I was actually here almost a year ago to date with a group from back home touring India, a little bit of a tourism group. We started off down in Delhi and worked our way through India and then finished up here at Sattva. Just being here, connected with Mother Earth on these grounds, meeting the people here, and especially Anand, I just felt like a coming home and a longing to come back. I have 4 kids at home, and so I thought, well, maybe in 5 or 10 years I can come back and do some training, and the universe carved a path that led me here almost a year later. Finishing the training, it's kind of like words fall flat. I can't fit my feelings into words. I just feel blissfully blessed. I feel home. I feel love. I feel the grace of the divine. I feel like I've learned so much and I've gained so much wisdom, yet I have so much still to learn. And I'm excited to share the teachings I've learned here with everyone who comes into my path. Love, big love. That's what I feel. It's enriched my life. It will enrich yours. Absolutely fabulous. The staff, nothing but love. Accommodations, beautiful surroundings. It feels like paradise. It feels like home. Everybody in the restaurants, the housekeeping, the grounds, the staff, super friendly, super kind. One big happy family. It's beautiful, beautiful, perfect place to come, to get away, to learn, to grow, to find self, to find love, to find connection with nature and with other brothers and sisters.